Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand Introduction to Digital Signal Processing. The digital signal processing is the branch of science and engineering that has developed rapidly over past 30 years. This rapid development has resulted in significant advances in digital computer technology as well as integrated circuit fabrication. Now let us see the historical context of DSP. The early digital computers and associated hardware were large, expensive, and limited in applications. Hence, they were primarily used for general purpose offline scientific computations. So, if we say offline scientific computations, which will be non-real time applications, and also they were used for business applications. Then we had advancement in integrated circuit technology. The rapid development in integrated circuit technology was started with medium scale integration, and it progressed to large scale integration and then to very large scale integration that resulted in small, faster and cheaper digital computers and circuits. These inexpensive and relatively fast digital circuit has made it possible to create these sophisticated digital systems. Hence, many signal processing tasks that were conventionally performed by analog means are today realized by less expensive and reliable digital hardware or digital systems. So there are benefits of digital circuits or digital systems. These digital circuits are inexpensive and fast digital circuits enables complex signal processing tasks and they are more reliable hardware compared to analog systems. There are few limitations of digital signal processing. You need to remember that DSP is not a solution for all signal processing problems. For high bandwidth and real-time needs, other options like analog or optical processing may be better compared to digital signal processing. There are many advantages of digital signal processing. So the digital systems provides the programmable operations through software. So we are having the programmable operations through softwares in digital systems. The higher flexibility and precision in signal processing are some of the major advantages of digital signal processing systems. They are faster in adaptability through software modifications. So compared to analog circuits, these digital circuits are having more advantages. So finally concluding, there is a significant growth in DSP theory and applications over the last 3 decades. So this growth has enabled a very large scale applications in signal processing. The digital signal processing continues to be essential for various scientific and business applications. So this is about the introduction to digital signal processing. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.